Most YouTubers spend months, even years waiting to get monetized on YouTube. But small channels are hitting the monetization in just 30 days. And that's very crazy. So what do they know that the rest of us don't know? And in this video, I'm going to show the basic strategy that they are using to grow instantly fast on YouTube, and they are hitting the monetization early. And I know that you are thinking maybe they went viral or they just got lucky, but the answer is just no. There is actually a system behind their growth, and I've been studying small channel for past weeks now, and I have seen the strategy that they are using, and that's why I came here to share you the interesting strategy that they are using to grow their channel very fast on YouTube. So make sure you stay tuned to watch this video to the very end, because in few minutes I'm going to show you the best strategy that they are using to get monetization fast on YouTube. So let's get started right now. And the first thing I noticed they are doing is content packaging. And when I say packaging, I don't just mean just the thumbnail. I mean the title plus thumbnail and plus the promise. Yes, thumbnail matters a lot on YouTube, but many creators underestimate the power of title. And I found this channel that hit over 900,000 subscribers with just 14 videos. And the secret wasn't just a fancy thumbnail, it was their titles. They used physiology and they were specific. Instead of saying how to make money online, they just say things like how I made $3,000 to $5,000 and hit my bank account fast. And you can see the difference. It's more clickable and it builds urgency. So it creates curiosity that makes people want to watch the video and how they actually make the money. So if you want to grow faster on YouTube, don't just design thumbnail. Craft a powerful title that trigger curiosity so that people will want to stay to watch and see what will happen in that video. And the second thing I found out that they are doing is to build credibility fast. Another thing small channels are doing right now is they are borrowing authority. For example, a basketball channel scored out of bounds, and with just 14 videos they got over 14 million views. How do they do that? They use authority figures. They made videos about famous NBA players. They create urgency around the thumbnail and the title, and instantly the channel looked credible. People have to trust that channel. You can use this in any niche, maybe in fitness, or make a video about an athlete's morning routine, or cooking videos, or try recreating signature dish, maybe about fitness or about banking. Just anything, you have to just recreate it. And when you borrow their authority, you build trust and grab attention for your own channel. And even if you have 0 subscribers, this is going to work for you. And the number 3 I found that they are doing is they double down the strategy. Here is another powerful trick that many small channels are actually using to blow on YouTube right now. And what they do is that they test multiple formats, and some videos will perform well and some videos will not perform well. But the strategy they are doing is they will just double down on the videos they perform well. So for example, I found out this channel that tested a dog grooming, dog food and dog review, and none of them went viral. And then the format suddenly did better. They have to repeated it and hit 2.9 million views. They repeated again, boom, more viral videos started coming on their channel. And this is what I call the double down strategy. When something works, you have to repeat it with small twists until it stops working. So that's how small channel scale up very fast on YouTube. The number 4 thing I see that they are doing is that they make use of the power of shorts. This one is super underrated. When small channels are close to 1,000 subscribers, they use YouTube remix features to turn their long videos into shorts. You understand? So it takes just 20 to 30 minutes to find your best performing video and trim out a 30-second clip that deliver value on its own. You understand? So you just have to add captions and add a simple call to action, like if you want more of this video, then subscribe to this channel. You understand? And this thing is going to bring in hundreds of new subscribers quickly to your channel. And the best part is you don't need to fancy editing. Yes, you don't need to fancy editing. You are reusing content you already uploaded on YouTube. You understand? So now I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section and I will read all of them all. You understand? And if you are serious about getting monetized very fast on YouTube, then just make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell icon for more videos on this channel. And let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and I'll meet you in my next video. Thanks for watching.